Hi, I have a question. I have a question. I have a question. A question for PC gamers. Is there a way for me to build a $20 PC? Like if I were to get a Raspberry Pi, like if I were to get a Raspberry Pi, can I if I were to buy some part if I were building a PC, could I build one for $20? Um, I'm kind of interested in PC gaming. I I I use emulators. I've used emulators on the Wii through the Homebrew channel, and also on my phone and tablet. So but I don't have a way to play PC games since since our computer doesn't really work correctly. Well, I mean it does, but you have to boot it in safe mode. So post your responses down below, and I will see you later.